Hi, it's Rob Wiedhas with My Press Needs and the Crest Clamshell Die Cutter. COVID has prevented me from coming to the Crest Factory in Taiwan for several years now, so I'm excited to be back in Taiwan right now. As you can see, we've got 3 Crests ready to go, a 4167 in the final stages of testing, getting ready for shipment, a 3247 behind that, and here a 2332 as well. The Crest has been manufactured by Jen Sheng Machinery Company here in Taiwan for 23 years now. There are 200 Crests installed globally, most in North America, but we do have machines in Australia, in Israel, Canada, America, and we hope that that's going to expand. We're also looking into automation for the Crest, both in a form of an automatic sheet feeder for the Crest clamshell, in addition to robotics. Now, as always, we have a very close relationship and partnership with the manufacturer, which is Jen Sheng, producing the Crest. So keep your eye out for exciting news coming over the next few months into next year, 2024, with Jen Sheng, with My Press Needs, with the Crest, and with automation. Have a great day.